Did you recently attend your consular interview and did you receive a denial letter and wondering what to do next? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world and navigating the U.S. immigration process. So, part of the immigration process, I'd like to back up just a little bit. Part of the immigration process for a spouse visa and a fiancé visa involves an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. That's the final step in the process to receive the spouse or fiancé visa. And that immigration officer, he or she, will be reviewing your information and your details to determine whether or not they can issue the visa to you. At the end of that interview, they will give you a notification with their decision. And if you receive a notification from the officer that lets you know that your visa is denied, that can be quite shocking, quite alarming, and you'll want to make sure that you read that notification to understand why. What is the basis for the denial? And please know that sometimes on the day of your interview, at the end of the interview, the officer might say that they need to review your file and they'll notify you later of their decision. And so in that case, you would receive that notification online. Either way, the notification should explain why. And sometimes there's usually two reasons that happens. The first reason might be a refusal because you didn't have all the evidence. You didn't have all the documents. Maybe you're missing, there's something called a police clearance letter, and there's different versions in every country. And maybe you were missing something like that, and your visa is refused until you provide that. And then they're able to make a decision and approve it. In other circumstances, though, a more serious reason is that you were denied because you are not eligible. And that can be for a lot of different reasons. Immigration and Nationality Act is very long, a lot of different laws and things that will make a person ineligible. Some of them can be fraud and misrepresentation. That's an example. Someone entered the United States on a tourist visa and worked in the US. That could be something in your background that is making you ineligible and the officer is deciding to refuse you. Typically, when they give you that notification, they'll have a lot of legal jargon and reference the Immigration and Nationality Act, and it might not be clear why you were denied. But oftentimes, if it's a reason that's under those Immigration and Nationality Act laws, you weren't eligible, then it's a matter of whether or not you're able to apply for a waiver to overcome that issue. So if you're in that situation, please feel free to book a consultation with our legal team so we can help you work through your options. And please check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. We have a lot more information in our free resource center about immigration waivers. So I hope that gives you some clarity. Thanks so much for watching.